ukuthi sibathole lapho. So last year since sifika thina esingaqualifyanga for NSFAS angithumele sisikhokhele. So sakhokhela nale subject le esinganayo i-lecture kuyo. So bebelibele besitshela from last year ukuthi i-lecture iyeza only to find out ukuthi mase kuphuma ama-results this year leyo subject leyo sayifeyile. But kumele sikhokhe ukuze sokwazi ukuyisapa this year sibhale futhi this year. Fine, sayikhokha. Now this year sabuza ukuthi asinayo i-lecturer ye-workmanship. Sicela i-lecturer ye-workmanship so that so avoida lezi zinto lezi bezenzeka nini last year. So bathi basakhiphe i-post yama-lecturer. But masicheka kwi-timetable kubhaliwe ukuthi Miss Modisani sho ukuthi i-department bazi ukuthi sinayo i-lecture. So complain on March, but then in March ukuthi angeke sizokwazi ukubhala because thina i-lecture asinayo. And then masibuza lawa amanye ama-lecturer bathi no bona abangeni nawo cause ubhaliwe Miss Modisane e-department bazi ukuthi sinayo i-lecture and siyafunda. Kuyophindeka lento le ya last year yokuthi masesibhala ama-exams singaqualify for leyo subjects leyo. And kuyofuneka ukuthi na next year siphinde sikhokhele leyo subjects leyo, which is last year bengikhokha 16,000. Now this year shuthi kumele ngikhokhe i-16,000 phezu kwale 350 le ekumele engikhiphile futhi this year for ukuthi ngikwazi ukubhala i-subject le ibishort. So sabhala i-letter of complaint sayisa kuma-SRC ayi-2 ama-letter of complaint asina lecture ngicela isi-attendeni but attenda manje nakhona it was last week sebesi-attenda bethi sizosala for ama-extra classes. Siyabuza lama-extra classes senisitholele na i-lecture but no nizo-attendiswa yi-student. So masibuza ukuthi siyo-attendiswa yi-student kanjani because i-student naso kumele sifunde and then nathi futhi after school siyasala futhi for ama-extra classes e-maths. So yenza kanjani because mina ngithi from ngo-3 kumele si-attende leyo extra classes and then ngo-4 siyashayisa, which is naki-maths si-attenda ngo-3 and then ngo-4 siyashayisa. So bathi bazobona ukuthi bazoyenzani this week, but bazosinika i-feedback. Siyahamba sofuna i-feedback abanayo i-feedback and then sawobuza amanye ama-lecturer ukuthi okay sicela ukubuza ukuthi i-way forward yala ithini because of sisayinile ama-letter of complaints kayi-2 still as-attend. Balibela bathi balethe i-post but i-post asiboni because bekumele besitshengise i-post ukuthi nayo i-post ikhishiwe ukuthi sifuna i-lecture. So into esikhalele namhlanje ke sa-decide ukuthi no kungcono siyenze i-campaign because abas-attend sekuyoshaya 6 months bese ngasi-attend sabhala manje June
and asibhalanga futhi last term
asibhalanga. So ke sa-campaigna masi-campaigna uMr Nkosi wabiza ama-security ukuthi asixoshe besasuspende basithathele nama-student card besasuspende because kena-ke si-distract amanye ama-class and then masizama ukukhuluma naye ukuthi no secela usizo ukuthi yini into esiyikhalelayo wathi kena-ke angeke aze asinake yena because lento le against into yesikole. Sasho ukuthi sizamile ukukhuluma nawe wena wasitshela ukuthini usafuna i-lecture till today usafuna i-lecture from January till today usafuna i-lecture and then wathi kena-ke okay masisakhuluma ngiyasho mina ukuthi guys it's not fair ukuthi mina mama usebenza emakhishini uthathe i-student loan for ukuthi ngikwazi ukufunda and then le student loan umama mbekakhala namhla ekuseni ukuthi kumele ibhadare i-loan yendlu kumele ibhadare i-loan yesikole and imali akanayo. So uyangibuza ukuthi so if ufaila futhi this year soyenzani because angisenayo ucabanga nokuyeka emsebenzini. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi mara se uyayazi leyo pain leyo ukubona umzali wakhe ekhaya because of wena and then awuzama ukufayithela i-future yakho ukuthi ukwazi ukusiza umzali wakho and then nina nisenza lento and then kwaqhamuka omunye usisi wangenza so angazi noma i-social worker or yini wangenza so wathi yena awukwazi ukuthi ukhulume nathi kanjalo awukwazi ukuthi ukhulume nathi kanjalo bakuxoshela ama-security ama-security asixoshe esikoleni and then bathi siza-suspend. Ngitshela uMr Nkosi ukuthi okay since ngi-suspendile ngicela nibizele i-parent meeting bathi bona yikho into abazoyikhuluma nathi.
and into enkulu and into ebuhlungu ukuthi sirejistile for i-workmanship January. I-NSFAS iyasibhadalela. Kube besikhona uku-afford ukusibhadalela bengeke silo kanjani si-aplayele i-NSFAS. Next year bazosifuna ama-1.3 for ukuregister. Babuye basifune nama-3.4 for i-subject.
For 2 years.
And kuningi nasikhuluma basho thina safollowa ama-protocols. Kushuthi bona afiki ukuthi asina-let. Babhala uMudisani and bayazi ukuthi uMudisani unekinga akezi. Na-last year bekenza the same thing. Maybe za 3 weeks ahlale kwakhe angasezi.
And dala
bathi basho balo kanjani bazomkhipha nani. Nasele sithi senze actions bayasixosha bathi siphume basithathele ama-student card nani.
Besicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe singathola inamba yakhona.
And bathe if siya lapho wena bazosikhansela besiregister. Bathatha ama-student card manje bathi bayosiregister bayosibeka kwi-database sikhiphe esikoleni.